DAV Public School Midnapur, DAV Public School HCL Rupnaranpur, India International School Asansol, Himshila Model School Durgapur, St. Paul's Academy Bardhaman, St. Xavier School Durgapur, DAV Public School Dubrajpur, Guru Tegh Bahadur School Durgapur, Delhi Public School Durgapur, the Heritage School Rampur Hat, DAV Model School KSTP Asansol, Techno India Group of Schools Durgapur, Techno India Group of Schools Kolaghat, AGPN Convent School Purulia, Pandit Ishwar Chandra.
Understood? Now raise your hand those who are not received.
You are from single one school.
Same school. We want one from one school. You are from different schools?
Now winners. First, second, third.
How many? Only one you have taken? Okay. Don't collect two.
Then photo.
One for your school. Durgapur, any other Durgapur student? Techno?
সরে যাচ্ছে সরে
পুরো টিমটা পাবো না আমি।
Okay, okay. Let's take a photo first.
একটু প্লিজ জায়গা দিন, ফটোটা তুলে নিতে দিন, তারপরে আপনারা সব তুলে দেবেন।
Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
একটু আপনার দিকে ঢুকতে হবে, নাহলে পুরো টিম আসবে না। ম্যাডাম একটু ভিতরে ঢুকে যান। পিছা পিছা বাদ হয়ে গেছে।